Ever felt like digital marketing tools are getting more expensive every single year? Like every time you want to grow your business, someone is charging $29, $49, even $99 a month? And the worst part? Most beginners, freelancers, and small business owners don't even know which tools they actually need, so they end up wasting money on tools they'll never use. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. I was exactly in the same place a few years ago. But the truth is, you don't need paid tools to start, grow, or scale your online presence in 2026. Today, I'm going to show you the 10 best free digital marketing tools that can help you grow smarter, faster, and without spending a single dollar. Let's begin. I still remember back when I started creating content, running ads, and trying to grow my blog. I was juggling tools like crazy, SEO tools, email platforms, design apps, and everything wanted a subscription. I felt stuck, not because I didn't have the skills, but because I didn't have the right tools. But slowly, I discovered a secret. Free tools today are more powerful than paid tools from 5 years ago. And if you combine the right ones, you can run your entire marketing system for $0. That's exactly what I'm about to share with you. The tools that replace expensive software. 1. Google Analytics. Track what matters. If you run any website or blog, this is your eyes and ears. It shows what's working, what's not, and what your audience loves. 2. Google Search Console, your SEO brain. Want to rank higher? This tool literally tells you what people search, what keywords you show up for, what's stopping your website from ranking, all for free. 3. Canva Free, design anything in minutes. Thumbnails, social posts, infographics, templates, everything you need to make your brand look professional. 4. ChatGPT Free, your AI assistant. Research, ideas, titles, captions, scripts, you name it, it creates it. 5. MailChimp Free, grow your email list. Collect leads, send newsletters, automate follow-ups, without paying. 6. Metricool, plan, schedule, analyze. This replaces expensive social media scheduling tools. One dashboard all your content. 7. 𝐤𝐳-Suggest Free, keyword research without paying $99 per month. Helps you find topics, search volume, difficulty, and content ideas. 8. CapCut, create viral videos fast. Perfect for Reels, Shorts, or YouTube tutorials. Templates, transitions, and AI features included. 9. Bitly, clean links plus analytics. Short links, track clicks, see engagement, great for social media. 10. Zapier Free, automate your marketing. Connect apps, automate tasks, save hours every week. These 10 tools can help you create content faster, improve SEO, get more traffic, analyze your results, automate boring tasks, look professional without a team. And again, you don't pay a single dollar. How these tools change your workflow. You research keywords using 𝐤𝐳-Suggest. Create content using ChatGPT. Design graphics in Canva. Publish consistently with Metricool. Track results using Analytics and Search Console. Automate your workflow with Zapier. This is how smart marketers work in 2026. You don't need fancy tools. You need the right free tools, used strategically. I've also created a free digital marketing tools checklist. It includes all 10 tools, their best use cases, bonus tools, a downloadable list you can use daily. If you want this checklist, the link is already inside the article. If you want to go deeper, learn how to use each tool, and see real examples, I've written a complete in-depth guide on everything I discussed in this video. Just click the link in the description. It will take you directly to the full article on Techfee. Inside, you'll find screenshots, visuals, workflows, and a bonus checklist to help you get started today. If you found value in this video, make sure to like the video, comment your favorite free tool, and subscribe for more free digital marketing tips. See you in the next video.